Hello, my name is Daniel Fortenberry. I'd like to welcome you to my website. Website title is Simple Vehicle Checks for Everyone. Um, Basis behind my website was to have a goal, and hopefully it's met if I could just get one individual that can learn something new and helpful from my site. That was my main thing, to actually impart some knowledge. My site focuses on simple maintenance tips for your vehicle. Just about everyone today has a vehicle and a way to go. So hopefully some of these tips can help you out and maybe save you a little bit of money, as well as making your vehicle safe for the road and for your trips to be trouble-free. Um, my website has a fairly simple layout. The layout starts out, you have a few navigation things at the top of the page. You've got a navigation symbol for the home, the contact me, and the about me buttons. As you scroll down the page, uh, there's a nice welcome to my page for all new members or whatever that that come in. And on the right hand side of the page, you'll notice that there is a search feature that you could use to search the web page. And then also there is a widget that lets you jump to pages within a document. The pages that are contained in this document, besides the home page, there's an About Me page. We have a page on air filter basics, a page on battery maintenance, a page for checking your oil, uh, a page on focusing on tire pressure, a page on windshield wipers, care and installation, and finally a Contact Me page. We'll review the links to the top. You click on the Contact Me page. It's going to take you to a simple page where you can input your information, that you can submit any questions to me or comments. You can link it into that going into the About Me page. A simple little page where I give a comment on myself and my pastimes. And then we'll go back to the home page. Traveling around the site is fairly simple. You want to read about air filters, you click on the air filter basics. The site goes to that page, scroll down, and you can see the information contained within. Got some pictures showing what an old air filter and new air filter looks like, so you can compare what's in your vehicle to what should be in your vehicle. Also included some links to some YouTube demonstrations that really set off and round out the presentation on air filters. We'll just jump and look at another one on checking your oil. Just kind of preview how it goes to it. Go to checking your oil page. Gives you a rundown of information about checking your oil. Then some visuals letting you see how to check the oil. And basically that's the roundabout of it, and finish up with a video to help out. Try to put a video on every page to round out the information and make sure you get a good understanding of what I'm trying to impart. I thank you for viewing my page, and hopefully you like it, and hopefully that you can get some knowledge from it. Thank you.